Çekiler var hadi. Çekiler var hadi.
Yes.
Hadi.
Yes.
Nasıl yaşayın?
Yes. I'm so happy, bro. I'm so happy right now, bro. I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy, bro. Let's go, Argentina. Yes, bro. I'm so happy, bro. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Yes. Yes.
Fabian Nasro.
Yes.
Fabian Nasro.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Mereka sandung.
What happened? I'm so happy, chat. I am so happy, bro. I'm so happy, bro.
Let's go, Argentina!
Let's go, vamos! Vamos, Argentina! Let's go, Argentina, vamos! Yes! Yes! So happy, bro. I'm so happy. Come on, chat. Vamos, Argentina. Come on. Let's go. Vamos, vamos. The whistle is not fully blown yet. Let's go. As much as I want to celebrate, but the whistle's not blown. Come on, Argentina. Let's secure the win. Let's go. Vamos, vamos. I'm so happy. I am so happy. I'm so happy Argentina's winning right now. Aren't you guys so happy? I'm so happy. Look, I'm smiling. This is great. Let's go. Huh? Come on, bro. Let's get. Come on. What? Free kick Switzerland. Come on, Argentina. Play defense. Play defense. Nice defense, Argentina. Vamos, Argentina, vamos! Ronaldo, come on! Ronaldo! Come on, Argentina! Come on, Argentina. Come on, Argentina. Come on, come on. 4 minutes? That's too long, bro. Come on, Argentina. No, yes. I'm so happy, bro. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, chat. I'm so happy I'm about to leave the stadium. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, chat. I'm so happy that I'm about to leave the stadium, bro. I'm so happy, bro. I'm so happy that I'm leaving the stadium. I'm so happy, bro. That chat, I'm leaving the stadium. I'm leaving the stadium, bro. I'm too happy right now. I'm too happy right now. I'm too happy. I'm too happy right now. I'm too happy, bro. I'm too happy, chat. Yo, bro, I gotta leave the stadium after that. Yo, bro, I gotta leave the stadium.
Can you grab the backpack?
I'm so happy. I'm so happy, bro. I'm so happy that I like, bro, I gotta leave the stadium, bro. Like.
elevator is full. Please wait for the next
Man, you think we should get like some outro
elevator.
or is it cool? Outro is cool.
This elevator is full. Please wait for the next available elevator.
Yeah, we're over there.
Somebody's in front of the door.
No, we're in.
Somebody.
We're gonna squeeze in. Squeeze in. No, it's you, Jeff.
Yo, Jacob be lagging. Vamos! Vamos! Yeah! Vamos!
Yo, bro, the game's over. You can.
All right, chat. Yeah, chat, game's over with. All right, game's over with. My act is over with. They broke the curse. Congratulations, Argentina. I supported Argentina today to see if the curse was real. It seems like that they broke the curse. They got it. The act's over with. Yes, chat, the act is over with. The act is over with. The act is over with, yeah. For the people who was probably wondering, why was Speed wearing Argentina jersey? I was just testing to see if the Speed curse was working. But it didn't work. The Speed curse did not work, chat. The Speed curse didn't work today, unfortunately. The act is over with, the game's over with. I tried though, I tried. I genuinely tried.
Nobody's got my.
What should I do for next game then? Should I like wear 2 Argentina shirts? Like, what do I have to do? What do I do, bro? I tried everything.
You picked up the light.
I distracted Messi during the penalty kick. Man, I'm trying, bro. I'm trying, bro. I'm trying, chat. I'm trying, bro. Hey, bro, I tried. Hey, I don't know, chat. If y'all got some ideas next game on what should I do? Because it's like this meme going on, how like Speed, how like any team I support, the team loses, some rumor, whatever, some meme. And I just wanted to see if it was true. And it's not true, unfortunately. So Argentina broke the curse. GG's once again, bro. They keep proving me wrong. Argentina keeps proving me wrong. That's 2 losses. Do I just give up? No, I don't give up. It's coming home, England. Come on. I'm gonna pay I'm paying my face red and white. I'm paying my face red and white. Come on, I'm British. Come on, bro.
It's coming home.
All right, chat. England versus Argentina, bro. England versus Argentina. Oh. Yes, bro. Yo, chat, bro. Y'all really thought I was going for Argentina, bro?
But y'all guys coming through. Space.
Some of y'all got no IQ. It was like, Speed, you're a betrayer. Speed, you're a betrayer. Speed. Speed. Sometimes you gotta use reverse psychology, man. Speed, you're a betrayer. Speed. Anyways, England. Anyways, chat, England versus Argentina. I love y'all boys so much. This was a great stream today. You know, Argentina won again.
He's like freaking me out.
All right.
What is wrong with you? The heck?
Yo, you good?
El Troll.
You good, fam?
I'm the troll of troll. All I do is troll. My life's a troll. Everything I'm doing is troll. I speak trollness.
You all right?
What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
Yeah, too much sugar.
Are you actually okay? What is wrong with you?
I ain't that much of a
Jeez, you all right? Why'd you doing all of that then? Are you that excited that Messi won?
Let's move on.
Really? This man's over here having like a... Yeah, I know, vamos!
All right, let's go in. Let's get in.
I know Argentina won,
We
chat.
all got it. We got it fast.
What?
I got it.
That quick?
All our
Quick as shit.
What?
He kept like fucking up his ankle. He kept stepping and it like kept going.
Okay.
Who lost that
round.
quick?
3.
Chat, are we live? Chat, are we live? Chat, are we live? Are we live? Are we live? We are live. Chat. Chat, chat. Ladies and gentlemen,
Guys, sit down, please. Sit down.
we
Get down.
are here. We are here at Argentina versus Switzerland. Let's go, Argentina. Let's go. Let's get this win today, chat. Let's get this win today, chat. Everybody in the stream, spin up the W's. As our boys know, we walk in the Argentina shirt today. Huh? What? Chat, we walk in the Argentina shirt today. As y'all boys know, hit that like and sub button. Everybody in the stream, get ready, get lit. It's that time. Let's see if the rumors are true. Let's see if the rumors are true, chat. Everybody got this rumor about me. Let's see if it's true, baby. Yeah! Viva! Viva! W's in the chat! Are we lagging? Oh, we're lagging, bro. I knew we was lagging, bro. We're lagging, bro. We're lagging.
Damn. I can't fit.
Do they got Wi-Fi in here?
Yeah, we're on it.
Shall we lagging? Connect to the Wi-Fi. They saying L quality. It's lagging, bro. It's bad. We're lagging.